Alright, on a workbench, I have a Uniden Grant LT, not an XL, LT. Some may, including myself, like the look of the LT better. I do like the green rings around the knobs and the switches. It's just something, I guess, personal preference. Performance-wise, you're probably going to get the same performance out of a Grant LT or a Grant XL. Most of the differences are just physical, more specifically, the front here. And you also have the dynamic squelch control. But other than that, that's really it. Inside, it's pretty much the same. You got a couple of, you got an extra board in there, but nothing. There's nothing too drastic as far as performance-wise from a Grant LT and a Grant XL. So this one just came in for just a basic service. It was way off frequency, especially on sideband. When I had this, when I did my first check on the radio, the clarifier had to be almost at the 3 o'clock position to get a decent receive. But yeah, so it was an alignment. Put in a LED in the meter. Cleaned it up a bit. It had some red, like permanent marker, like witness marks or like hash marks. I think somebody put it there so they can kind of just set the knobs exactly to where they wanted it to. So yeah, I cleaned up the switches, cleaned up the front of the radio. It's actually looking really good. This radio also had an issue with when you'd key up the mic, it would squeal if you had the RF gain, if you had the mic gain all the way up. So I noticed that in the back here, somebody had changed out that external speaker jack. But what they did was they wired it wrong. It was almost working like a talkback. You can faintly hear yourself talking back through the speaker. So at one point, this radio had somebody had hooked this up backwards and tried to either, put a bigger fuse in the power cord or something, because there was like a mini mini fire happened back in there. Yeah, when that happened, it probably melted. I'm assuming it melted the exterior external speaker jack. So somebody had put in like an aftermarket one in there, but had wired it wrong. So yeah, now it's working right. No more squeal, and the speaker actually works right as well. Because before, when you would plug in the external speaker, the internal speaker would still stay on as well. So everything is functioning as it should now. So yeah, and I got rid of, even though this wasn't a full recap, I got rid of some of the lower value caps. A couple of them rolled onto the floor and disappeared into the abyss. But this is those are the remaining ones. And yeah, I just wanted to do a tune-up report. This isn't a full, not a full video. I've been slammed with work, so I really don't have time to do like the normal videos I do. So we'll just go through the performance of the radio, and that's basically it. Besides, there wasn't really much to, I guess, video-worthy that happened with the radio. Just some basic repairs. And that's basically it. So, but I did want to do a tune-up report so that way, the owner can see his radio working properly. So, without further ado, let me put this on the dummy load, and we'll take it from there. We'll do our usual stuff. So, all right, stand by. All right, so yeah, you get a dead key of like 5.5. I usually split the difference, as you guys know, between the Bird and the MFJ. The Bird's a little bit more stingy on power, but yeah. So, all right, meter's right on. Let's see what it looks like on the scope. So that's mic gain all the way up. Alright. It's 12. Alright. Let's get a two-tone. We'll do sideband. We'll do lower. Alright, right around 12, 13 or so. Okay. Perfect. Alright. So that's it for transmit. Until we do the monitor radio tests. But let's do, we'll do receive. We'll see how the meter matches up to the S9, and we'll do the usual sensitivity test with the SYN-adder. Alright, stand by. Alright, it's hooked up to the signal generator. We got an S9. Alright, channel 19. Alright. Got a minus 70. Alright, let's see what it's got for sensitivity. Alright. It's minus 110. It's minus 120, not quite. Alright. There's 12. Right about there. So we got minus 110. Minus 110. 11, 12. Like 13 almost. I'll call it 100 minus 113 dBm. So yeah, that's a really good that is a really good listening radio. So yeah, that's really about it for performance wise. Let's see how it sounds. So stand by. Alright, we're on channel 20 here. Trying to find a mid-band clear channel. I think this is the better choice here. So let's see how it sounds. Alright. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, audio, audio. Checking out this audio on this Uniden Grant LT. Not an XL, but an LT. Yeah, it's sounding really good, I think. Modulating properly. Sounding good. Yeah, we got a good radio. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I had to put the mic gain up about, or down about halfway. Getting a little bit of squeal. Let me turn it up just a little bit more. See what, see if that makes a difference. All right. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, let me turn this up a little bit more. Hopefully we won't get any squeal. We got a little bit there, but that's almost completely turned up. Actually, that's turned up all the way. So, yeah, sorry about the feedback. Alright, that sounded a little bit better, I think, like that. So, yeah, about 3 o'clock position. Still a little bit of feedback, but it's a good sounding radio. Alright, let's put this on the antenna and take it from there. Stand by. Alright, let's see what's going on out there on out on the 11 meter band here. AM, of course.
Stay right there. Look at. Watch me roll it up there, Red.
Turn this light off. Is that better?
I'm still on one side. You see what I'm doing in Georgia? Don't call him no more, Dirty Red, 'cause I got this. I ain't coming back. Watch my back, Dirty Red. Now you go back and look at them, whoever they is. Tell them what y'all got, Dirty Red. Back. There's a whole lot of people out there wondering how I can do it in that store like that with about 2 bushes. Nehemiah, I run it by you. You don't vote till I got to go. Click.
Alright, let's go to sideband. Good figure. It was booming before.
Get better, I hope. 1409 Houston sitting by. So busy here in the old home frequency for you Buffalo is dead, man. Y'all gave up the ship up there? Yeah, right on the 9. Lima Radio 010. You are reaching Central Portugal. Oh, hell, everybody should do that once in a while. God bless you. I hope you enjoyed the vacation because the chaos is back, man, and it's all multiplied because there's a lot of... God bless you. 1409 in Houston, just wasting my time sometimes. But hey, I got plenty of time to waste. I'm retired, man. Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day out there and they figure it out. Canada. Roger that. This is New York City. Have a fine day out there now. Special city in the United States. Drive down the brakes, man, the cracks. Man, but there's just so much chaos going on right now. I just barely hear them once in a while through the cracks. Roger that. That's 88 up there in New York City. Oh, yeah. Doing it, doing it. Afternoon, brother. 54 standby. Man, that boy never stops to get.
I'm reaching around my camera here, so makes it a little difficult to turn these, turn the channel knob.
Down in Great and Lone Star State, but he's talking to Portugal. Maybe that's why he sounds so great, because he's talking to Portugal. 1409 said it. Thank you very much. I heard somebody out there sending me some love.
.320 Boston, Massachusetts, waving. 320 Boston, Mass, waving.
A proud #1 self-proclaimed mud duck. Thank you very much. QSK, I'm running around LA County, California. Hello, man. There's a bunch of people out here, and actually I was listening across the pond, but I still hear the feedback from the inner soul. 1409 Houston, Texas said it.
How about it, 1409? How about it, 1409? You got 320 Boston, Mass here. 320 Boston, Massachusetts.
It's not that I don't care, man. It's just that, you know, they don't care, and they wanna jump on. You know, I got a bunch of monkeys on my back, man. They're going over. They go give you 56 on road. I lifted a skirt. Time to change up my DX over here in Florida, but I do hear you. Top of the unit from.
Let's go back to AM.
But he does get on his base like once every 2 or 3 months. That's right.
All right, guys, I'm going to end it there. There you have it, a Uniden Grant LT, ready to be put back into service. Thanks for watching.